Hi friends, welcome you all to Mech Plaza YouTube channel. Subscribe and support this channel. Today we are going to talk about 13 tools every electrician needs. Every trade has a preferred set of tools. For electricians, there will be some tools you believe are crucial in your line of work, while your buddy down the road believes it's most definitely not required. However, there are some essential tools that absolutely every electrician needs in order to do the job safely, effectively, and to an excellent standard. So, here's a handy list of the top tools every electrician needs. 1. Multimeter. The multimeter measures multiple electrical properties, including voltage, current, resistance, and DC voltage and current. Multimeters are available as analog or digital devices, and the newer ones feature some sophisticated bells and whistles such as Bluetooth and thermal imaging cameras. 2. Voltage tester. It's crucial to know where the wire or devices live, as if you work on wire while live, there could be dangerous consequences. Used for a quick safety check to ensure there is no voltage in an electrical wire or device, voltage testers are an absolute must. If you can, grab a non-contact voltage tester. These can detect electricity without touching the wire or outlet. 3. Wire strippers. With a variety of holes to ensure you can work with different sizes of wire, strippers are used to cut and strip insulation from electrical wire. The handle should always be comfortable to hold and easy to grip. Some strippers will even include cutting teeth, so you can trim the wire ends at the same time. 4. Circuit finder. It's not always easy to find the circuit directory in every single home, and at times, when present, the service panel is very rarely matched with a complementary breaker. Thank goodness for circuit finders. Simply plug the transmitter into the outlet and the detector will figure out where the matching directory is. Circuit finders are also handy to simply trace a circuit. 5. Screwdrivers and nut drivers specific to electricians. They may not seem like trade-specific tools, and indeed, they are not. In fact, most people around the world will have some form of screw or nut driver in their own personal toolbox. However, there are some screw and nut drivers that have been manufactured specifically for electrical work. Failing the specific drivers, ensure you always shave Phillips head and flathead screwdrivers with you at all times. Whether it's removing and installing cover plates, outlets, switches, or other devices, they'll always come in handy. Ensure you have a range of sizes as well. 6. Pliers. A good pair of pliers is a must-have for any and every electrician. Handles should be easy and comfortable to grip and should open and close smoothly. It's also a good idea to have several sizes to accommodate different jobs. Besides from the traditional pair of pliers, there are others that will most definitely come in handy. Side cutting and diagonal cutting used to cut wires to specific lengths. Needle nose or long nose with thin, grasping ends. These pliers make it easier to reach small spaces. Tongue and groove used to remove knockouts from metal electrical boxes and tighten clamps. 7. Fish tape. Used to pull and push stranded or solid wire through conduit. Fish tape will always be useful. It can be retracted and deployed as needed, as it comes on a reel, which always means it's easy to grip. 8. Tape measure. When it comes to tape measures, there is such a huge variety of styles that it really is a personal choice. Regardless of whether you like it fatter, bulkier, slimmer, or one that won't buckle over long distances, a tape measure is Toolkit 101. 9. Hammer. These are especially important if you are working on a construction zone. Claw hammers can be used to remove nails and wood pieces. 10. Level. Make sure your work is level and plumb before handing it over to the customer. 11. Torch. It can be very dark in places where electrical work is most needed. It's convenient as well as safe. 12. Utility knife. One of these will always come in handy. 13. Clamp meter. This is a very important tool that electricians should always keep with them. It will help to find voltage, amps, continuity, and etc. When it comes to the tools you require, it will largely depend on the types of jobs you do. Ensuring your tools are taken care of and that you have the right tools for the job is crucial in the trade industry. Thanks for watching this video.